No! Oh! Oh. Well, I tried. The Hat Man. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this video. Be sure to hit the like button, smash subscribe, slaughter the bell, and maybe even share if you want to. Today, I am going to go through each of these little Zunes that I bought in that giant lot that I mentioned in a previous video, and we're going to see what's on each of these things. Each of these has basically been unused since they stopped working in the hands of their original owners. So we are going to take a look. I think it'll be a fun little video. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. We'll start with the red one that I just picked up. So this one does not seem to have a backdrop. They have the games installed. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Let's see if they have anything loaded in the marketplace. No, I guess it doesn't have anything cached. I don't think it caches anything. Yeah, it doesn't cache anything, so there's nothing to look at in this store. Unfortunate. Well, let's see if they have any radio thingies. How do I check the presets? Oh, they would just be here. Okay, there's no presets. They did not use the radio. Anything in social? No. Nothing in social. Wait. They did use social! Hey, look at that! Wow, they did use the social thing a little bit. First time I've seen that. I like that. Cool. Alright, let's check the pictures. Maybe they got something cool in here. Katie and Josh engagement photos. Vacations. So just personal photos, nothing interesting that I can show. I'll go ahead and look at it for myself, see what kind of person this was. And I'll come back and let you know if they were a cool person. Alright, I checked out the photos. It seems like they like to do interesting things on their vacations. They went scuba diving for their honeymoon. That was pretty cool. They look like a pretty person. This person was cool. Now let's check out their music and see if that holds up. Oh, first we got videos. No videos. Alright, so last is the music. Let's see if they got anything interesting that I can recognize. Oh man, that's a lot of stuff. Artists. We'll do artists since there's so many albums. I see Adele in there. Adele's pretty good. Alright, I haven't heard of most of this. They got AC/DC, Adele, Aerosmith, Alien Ant Farm, Arctic Monkeys, Avenged Sevenfold. I've heard of Bad Religion. I don't know what they are though. The Beatles, Black Eyed Peas, the Black Keys, Blink 182. Let's see, I've heard of Bruno Mars. I've heard of some of his music. I like him. I've heard of Chevelle. Chris Brown, this is kind of dated, so this may have been before he did that thing where he, you know, beat a person to death, nearly to death. Coheed and Cambria is pretty good. Coldplay, Dave Matthews Band I've heard of, but I don't know anything about him. Let's see, I've heard of Dr. Dre. I'm sure he's good. Eminem I know is good. Foo Fighters, Foster the People, Gorillaz is good. I say generally speaking, they got a pretty good taste. They got a whole slew of different types of things. And oh my god, Linkin Park. Hell yeah, that's my favorite one right there. Alright, they're pretty cool. This person's pretty cool. Yeah, so they got a lot of stuff here. It's kind of a nice mix of pop, a little bit of rap, a mix of rock as well. Pretty good. I like this one, this first one so far. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So that's 1 out of 17, guys. 1 out of 17. There used to be 19, but one of them... actually, I was gonna say I already put it into a project, but I never did erase it. So this is gonna be the next one, actually. This is the 16 gigabyte one. All the other ones that we're gonna looking at, they're the 8 and 4 gigabyte, but this one is a 16 gigabyte, so it would have been black with a glossy finish. However, I put it in my housing where I did black and green. So let's take a look at this guy's stuff. Okay, we've got a storm in the background. Looks a little fake. Let's go to social. Nothing in social at all. Unfortunate. Alright, let's go to pictures. Wow, it's a lot of pictures. Oh, they got some of the Halo pictures from the Halo 3. Finish the fight. Oh, that's not Halo, this is Yoda. Let's see. Movie posters and game posters. I saw Modern Warfare in there. So this person liked to collect the media they liked. Yeah, they got movie posters and all kinds of media stuff in here. Okay, so this guy was a very enthusiastic media connoisseur. Oh, these are real photos. You can't see the faces, so I can show these. It's someone playing football. Nice action shots. Oh, my thing is saying the device is, my camera is saying the device is too hot. So that's my phone. So the quality might be reduced to 720p. I hope not. Here are all the standard Zune photos that the thing comes with, plus one extra one. Disturbed, another media photo. Alright, let's go to videos. Oh, they have some videos, including the original Zune video. South Park, suck my balls, Mr. Garrison.
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
That was a hilarious moment in that movie. I think it was the movie. SpongeBob Sweet Victory, most annoying sound. So that's from a movie. Maple Town Interest. I don't know what that is. So more media here. Oh, I know what this is. That's Lonely Island. So this person's pretty cool so far. What's in the music? Not much. They got a lot of country songs in this country album. They didn't do the oh, it's a playlist. I'm sorry. I thought it was one album. Oh, artists. I need to go to artists. Also, based on the playlist, you can tell that they definitely were a gamer. I know there were pictures before, but now I know for sure they had an Xbox. 30 Seconds to Mars, AC/DC, All American Rejects, Avenged Sevenfold, Beastie Boys, The Bee Gees, Bill Withers, Boys to Men, Breaking Benjamin, Britney Spears. Let's see what we got in the D's. They got Drake, they got DJ Khaled. So they got a big wide array of stuff here. Once again, you got rock, you got rap, hip hop, pop. So yeah, once again, a little bit of country. So yeah, a wide array on this person again. Very well versed in many different. I just saw Tenacious D. They got well versed in many different genres. Very nice, very good person. Whoever had this 16 gigabyte Zune. All right, so on to the third Zune. Nice little standard background they got there. All right, social. Nothing in social. Pictures. Nothing in pictures. Okay. Videos? Perhaps? No videos. Okay. Music. Artists. Very few artists. Blake Lewis, Keith Urban, Kelly Pickler, Nickelback, and a soundtrack that doesn't have the right name. It's just called Top Hits of the 80s with one song in it. All right. Let's hear it for the boy. Okay. So not a whole lot going on here at all. Don't know who this person was. They must have deleted their stuff and moved on to another device. Alright, on to the fourth Zune. No background in this. Social, once again. Nope. Back button's not working. Okay, never mind. It's working. It was just a little slow. So, we got a lot of the standard Zune photos that comes with the Zunes, and then maybe a couple extra ones. Yeah, that's pretty lame. Back button is a little iffy. And then there's two folders here. Friends. Okay, I'm gonna look at this for myself, and then I'll let you know if there's anything interesting in this folder. Okay, yeah, it was just some teenagers from 10 years ago. So they're all adults and past college and stuff. Maybe even more than 10 years ago, probably like 14 years ago, because the Zune came out in 2008. This particular model did. This is just the Red Bull Illum photos, so that's it for the photos. Videos. Music videos, First Kiss. That sounds familiar. I think that might be a stock video. So some stock videos and then some music videos. A lot of repeats, you know. We got All American Rejects, Adele, AC/DC. I think I've seen some of these guys on the previous ones. Black Eyed Peas as well. They got it spelled wrong on one, and then they have a second entry for Black Eyed Peas. Bruno Mars. Okay, on to the next one. Ooh, flowers on the background on this one. Let's check out social, as per usual. Oh, they got a picture. Aw, someone sent them a picture of their cat in a bag. Aw, cat in the bag. Who let the cat out of the bag? Oh, they got a lot of pictures, and this looks like mostly family stuff, so I don't think I can show you these, but I'll let you know. I'll let you know in a minute who this person with the pink Zune kind of was. All right, so I'll look at the photos. They're a family-oriented person, so either a grandparent or a parent, and lots of family photos going on. Lots of photos, hardly anything of themselves. So very family-oriented. Now, on to the videos. These are stock videos I don't think I've seen before. I'm pretty sure these are stock videos. I don't think these came with Zune, so I wonder if they just were testing out putting on videos on their Zune and put ones from the PC or something. Yeah, I think we have this first launch video in the archives already. So I think I'm pretty sure I've seen this one. No, actually, I don't think I have. Cool. Music. This one is mostly just country and pop. So probably more of an older person who was using this. Alright, number 6. Stock videos, social. Oh, they actually received something in their inbox. A whole album. Wow. I didn't know you could just send whole albums. I wonder how long that took. I wonder if they still have playlists. Ba to Ba. Devil Without a Cause. Wow, Kid Rock. Very cool, very cool. Pictures. Nothing. Music. Tupac, 3 Doors Down, AC/DC, Breaking Benjamin, Def Leppard, Disturbed, Linkin Park. Oh yeah, second Linkin Park sighting. Barely anything from them though. Oh man. All right, and then that's it. There's not a whole lot of artists here this time. Moving on. Actually, I think I'm gonna take a recording break, and then I'll start again. I'm gonna let the phone cool down because apparently it was getting too hot. For you, I'll be back instantaneously. For me, I'm gonna take about a 20-minute break so I can let the phone cool down. Okay, we are back. This Zune doesn't seem to do anything. Alright, so number 7 is a dud. It needs a battery swap ASAP. Oh well. Let's move on to number 8. We got some sort of weird background going on here. As per usual. Oh, this one's got podcasts. Let's see what we got going on in podcasts. Oh, it's just the sample ones. Hey, come back. Hey, it turned off. Come back. Hey, what's going on? The buttons aren't working. They were working. What the hell? It restarted. What is going on? Is it my power cable? Yeah, number 8's a dud too. It had podcasts, but those were the sample ones. Number 9. Okay, this one's got one of these standard backgrounds that comes with the Zune. Let's see, no podcasts. Let's go to social. No inbox. No friends. Oh, it's updating friends. I've never seen that before. Oh, wow. It's got friends. I've never seen that before. So when you click on a friend, it shows their favorites, their top artists, their recent. Ah, cool. Let's see if any of these have information on them. They have favorites. No top artists, no recent. Well, obviously no recent. Kid Hops. Recent. Dinosaur Pileup. Headhunter. Favorites. Cool. This is very cool. Alright, so that's the first time I've ever seen stuff in the friends. Very cool, very cool. Let's go to pictures. Looks like they got a few personal pictures, but mostly just backgrounds. Videos. Just the original video. Music. Artists. There's a lot of artists on this one. Yeah, it's a huge mix on here too. There's a little bit of rock, a lot of hip-hop, a lot of pop, maybe a tiny bit of country. I saw one artist. A very large mix. Cool. So that's number 9, I think. Here comes number 10. This one also has that sticker that says faint battery on it, so it might not load up. Yeah, this one's probably got too much leakage in the battery. Alright, number 10 is a bust. I should probably go through the other ones. Look for the ones that say faint battery. This one also says faint battery. Let's see if it does anything different. Nothing different than the sticker says. So that's 11. Let's go through the others. So there's 2 more that say faint battery. Number 12. I'm not going to take the time to clean the screen since it probably doesn't do anything. Number 13. Yeah, okay. Alright, on to the ones that still work. Number 14. Come on, buttons. Do something. Yay! Alright, cool. Once again, let's go to social, see what we got going on. Nothing. Alright, cool. Whatever. Back is not working. Uh-oh. That's cool, we'll just start it over. Alright, let's go to pictures. Nothing there. Videos. No videos. Okie dokie. I clicked on settings. Music. Artists. Not a lot of artists. Well, that's this one. Number 15. Here we go. Social. Button stopped working. Why? Why did the button stop working? Maybe it has to do with the power. Well, there's nothing in social. Let's go to pictures. Nothing in pictures. Videos. Nothing in videos. Music. There's some stuff here. Not a lot, but there's some stuff. Queen Latifah. I haven't heard that name in a long time. Alright, so that was 15. Okay. Okay, so in podcasts, it's just a standard, I can't think of the word, but you know what I mean. So there's some stuff in social. Oh, there's a picture there. I don't see any faces, so let's look at it. It's a pig feeding its piglets. Why did somebody send this? It's kind of cute, kind of strange. All right. I didn't have piglets. I didn't have piglets on my bingo card, but all right, we got piglets, guys. Woo, piglets! Must have a friend living on a farm or something. All right, I think in videos we just had those music videos. Yeah. Music. At long last. Artists. I've heard of ABBA. I think people really like that one. Brad Paisley, Carrie Underwood, blah, 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 blah. Lots of people. Mostly country, I think. Mostly country. Zune gems. Don't let go. Cool. So that's number 16. Number 16 is done. We're getting close to the end here, folks. Close to the end here. I'm gonna have like 40 minutes of footage to cut down to like 20 minutes. Alright, here's number 17. Sticker claims that it works, but I don't see evidence. I think it got worse as time has gone on in my possession. Yeah, okay, 17 is a bust. Oh man, I hope number 18 works. Come on, 18, I'm betting on you. Let's finish off strong. Can you beat piglets? Oh no, it doesn't do anything. But why? Dang. Okay, well that's the end there, I guess. We got all 18 looked at. There was a number 19, but that was in the teardown video I did recently for Zune 2 Flash. It's in complete and total disrepair. It's in several pieces, so we can't look at that one right now. So that's it. That's the 18 Zunes that we have to look at. This is the adapter from the tutorial video I made back in maybe a year or so ago, maybe 2 years. Link in description if you want to learn how to make an adapter for your Zune for USB-C. So that's the Zunes. Yeah, I got these for like $22 or something. It was a pretty sweet steal. I got them because it had the flash 16 gigabyte. And I really needed that to fix the one that I had washed. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It got into the gosh darn, what the hell's it called? The laundry machine, the washing machine. Yeah, that was not cool. Not cool at all. So, in the description, I mean, Jesus Christ. In the comments below, let me know what you thought about this little exploration into these Zunes. And if you have any ideas on what I can do with these guys in the future, let me know. I've got 17 of them, not this one, but 17 of them to tinker with. This one is my baby. I won't tinker with that one, but 17 to tinker with. I might also just refurbish some of them and resell, but I have so many, I can keep a few for experiments. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, do all that stuff to help me out in the algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.